Let's now use this new file that I brought in, cars, to create a new notebook. And I already have one created because I was having too many errors with the notebook experience. So uh, as you can see here on the Lakehouse Explorer, you can expand this, you can show it, see the files, see the folders. I like to be looking at everything and have a neat experience. As you can see, also you can take a look at the notebooks from different languages. In the settings, you can endorse this, promote it, you can schedule a run. Very similar to a dataset experience in Power BI. Set up the time and also when do you want this to be running. It could be also in a pipeline. I'll show you guys here in a second, but just moving on. This could be in different languages, SQL, Spark, or it has a really neat integration with VS Code. Next thing here, it's the Edit tab where you can see a few things, but on the run, as you can see here, you can add this to a new pipeline or an existing one. The Data Wrangler, I'll show you guys in the next video. Really nice experience also. A little bit of variables also. So let's take a look here at the notebook that I have. To load the data into the notebook, you can select Spark or Pandas. I selected Spark here and it gave me this code right away. And as you can see, now it's a data frame and I can start making my changes. But I just want to save this as a Delta table. And as I showed you guys before, you can save it as a Delta table by right-clicking. But you can also use this code. It works fine, perfectly. And as you guys can see, the table is already here. A next thing would be working with SQL. And if you use the double ampersand here, you can write in SQL and query the data frame. So to save a notebook, you just save it here. You give it a name and also select a workspace as a destination for it.